welcome to another recipe, my friends, on Real Nice Guyana. Your host, Real Nice and Molly here again. Today we're going to be doing an egg fried rice, and we have our ingredients there. We're going to be using, for this dish, we're going to be using some basmati rice. You can also use some white rice as well. We have some eggs, of course, because it's an egg fried rice. Salt, taste, onions, pepper, black pepper. We're going to be using some mushroom soy sauce here. You can also use the regular soy sauce. Some sesame oil, scallions, and celery. And that's about it. So let's get started. So the first thing we have done here, my friends, is we put our water to hot here. And the water to rice ratio for this fried rice is 2:1 water to rice. So 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water. So we've added our rice to our hot water. So now we're going to add some salt to taste. And we're adding the sesame oil right now. A couple of drops. So we're just going to cover this and let it boil. Okay guys, so we're going to check our rice here now. It should be okay. We checked it a little before now, and it was almost dry down, but it still had a bit of grain. So we add just a touch of water, not a lot. And that should have done the job. So once this is done now, you want to spread it out and put it to cool. So we decided to put it in this plate because we're going to have to empty the pan anyways to fry the rice. So we're going to set this rice aside and let it cool. You want this to be cool off before you fry it, and it turns out better that way. Alright. Okay guys, so we're gonna flip our rice a bit here for it, the bottom to dry also. Okay guys, so this is a little bit after, so our rice is cool now. So we're gonna proceed with our fried rice. So first we're gonna crack our eggs here, some salt. So we've put some oil to heat up in our pan here, guys. So our oil is hot, and you want your oil to be real hot here. You want your eggs to cook quickly. So that's done. Now we can just take this out and set it aside. So now we've added some more oil to our pan that we fried the eggs in. I'm gonna heat that up. Our oil is hot. We're gonna add the onion first. And this is just a preference thing here, guys, to add the onions at first and cook it for a bit. You can add everything if you don't want your onions to cook more than the other seasonings. Okay, so our onions have cooked a bit to our liking, and now we're gonna add the other stuff now. The scallions and the celery. And the pepper. And as I said, if you don't want your onions to be cooked this long, you can add everything at the same time. So in goes our rice now. So you want to mix everything in once you add the rice, so the seasonings and the egg doesn't burn at the bottom. And then you can add your other stuff after that. So now we're going to add a bit of sesame oil. Just a little drizzle there. Some black pepper. Salt. And our soy sauce. As I said, we are using a mushroom soy sauce. You can use regular soy sauce if you like. And that is smelling so good, guys, you wouldn't believe. And that's about it for your fried rice, guys. That's how easy it is to make egg fried rice. Delicious fried rice. So there you have it, guys. Delicious egg fried rice from Real Nice Guyana. Another great recipe. If you like this recipe, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.